Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a spicy chili chicken wrap. Alright, first thing we need to do is make our spicy chili sauce. So, to a quarter cup of mayonnaise, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce. You can find chili garlic sauce in the Asian section of any decently sized supermarket, or you can easily order it online from Amazon. And then to this, you want to add about a half teaspoon of garlic powder and a half teaspoon of paprika. Then you want to add about a tablespoon of sugar. And then, of course, salt and pepper to taste. Then grab a little whisk and give this a stir around and keep stirring till everything is all mixed together. Ideally, you'd want to let this... It is ready to use now, but ideally, make this a couple of hours ahead of time before you assemble your wraps. But thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, we can go straight to assembly of said wraps. Okie dokie. First thing we got to do is take some of that spicy chili sauce and spread it all over a tortilla shell. Then we're going to add some chicken. Then we're going to add a few banana peppers. A little bit of cheddar cheese. A few crispy fried onions. And then just a little bit of shredded iceberg lettuce, or as I call it, shreddis. And then we're going to roll our wrap and douse it in a little bit of melted butter and place it on the griddle. Alrighty, as you can see here, I've buttered both sides. I'm giving each one a chance to become nice, golden brown, and crispy. After a couple of minutes, give it a flip. Kind of what we're looking for here. Alright, let's give the other side a couple of minutes to crisp up. Maybe flip it one more time, get some of this little crispy. And, alright. Alright, one last thing to do. Cut this thing in half. Give you guys a cross section. And that's it. A spicy chili chicken wrap that didn't survive very long. Absolutely delicious, but it's also done.